Hello everyone, I'll show you how to model this mirror in 3D Max. First, I will draw a box. I will make the length 100 by 80 by 2. Now I need to start with this frame over here. So I will add edit poly and I will inset the front and back polygons. Inset the first time 10 cm and then press plus, and here it will give you by default another 10, but here I will make it 2. Then press OK. Now I will bridge both. Here I will go to the back side and I will select this big border by double click and then extrude. Make the amount 2. So now the total is 4, and here I have like a small groove in for the mirror. It will be more neat if it is behind the frame. Now I will select this edge by double click and then create shape. Make sure that it is linear because the shape here is rectangular. Press OK. Now I will select this shape, and if it is not selected from the first time, you can select both and then use Alt to deselect this frame, or you can just use from the selection methods shapes and you will be able to select the shape easily. And make sure to go back to all once you are done. Now I will give it a shell modifier. I will make this inner amount 0.2. Now the mirror is behind the frame and it looks neat for me. Now I need to make this little groove or split between the sides. So the texture here will be horizontally also and this one vertically. So I need to select this edge by double click, then ring to select the others, and then split the edge. Here, if I selected any part of this frame, now they became different elements. But here you need to close these borders because all of them are opened borders like this. So I will select these borders and press cap. I will do this part so I can add a chamfer modifier as well. Okay, let me first undo the steps. So I will make the elements back to their original location. Now I will select the borders by using Ctrl A. See the red line? These are the open border. Now I press on cap. I will add now chamfer modifier. Make the amount 0.6, 2 segments. And here let me show you another way to select this element. I will select this element over here, and then I will go to edit geometry so you can see what had happened here, and I will hide unselected. This is only to so you can see what had happened. So you can see that it is closed, and I have applied this chamfer for each element. Now just make sure that when you chamfer, don't use a big amount because that will make the edges in this part overlap. So 0.6, 0.5 will be good. Now I will unhide all. How? I will go back to element mode, and this is important to go element mode, and then you will go to edit geometry and hide all. Now I will exit the sub-level mode so I can see that chamfer is applied to the whole object. Now I need to attach both of them together, so I will select this object, add edit poly, attach with the frame. Now I will give this one and this one material ID 1, the top and bottom material ID 2, and this one the mirror material ID 3. Now I will apply a material. It will be a multi-sub-object material. The first one is vertical veneer, the second one is horizontal veneer, and the third one is the mirror. The only difference between these two is the map orientation. I will make here the angle in the W 90 degree. The mirror, it will be black in the diffuse and the reflection is white. So the reflection is the maximum, and here you need to close the Fresnel reflection. Now I will apply the material, click on Assign, and in order to see the texture over here, I will apply UVW map, the type box, and use real world map size. You can see how the texture is running horizontally and in this part vertically. Now I will place this mirror in a room so you can see the final result. And here this mirror is black because I don't have any light now in the environment. Now I will click here on the standard and start an interactive rendering. And this is the final result.